a few weeks ago, I guess several weeks ago, we were working on a project, and most of you were able to work on that project and get it done. And so we have a very special surprise from creating that project. You know how we like to do Adobe creations in here. And one of the Adobe challenges we did was this New You in 22 project, where it was basically like an all about you using Adobe, and there was multiple different things we had to complete with it. And so one of them I'm going to use for an example was Grayson's. Okay? He completed the whole project, and a few others did as well. And so just to kind of remind you what we did, go back to this one right here. We had like your digital portfolio. And so we have Grayson's All About Me. And inside his portfolio, he had different things that described him. He also set up different goals. So here was all of his get to know Grayson, his favorite animal is a panda, and several of you, these turned out really, really cute, and we got to see all the different things that you're really into that was, you know, special to you. And he also here was his goal setting. I think this was the goal, yes. And then how he's going to achieve it throughout the year. And so he made a timeline of what he's going to do to reach his goal. So his goal was to get all A's. And so he decided on, you know, what can I do throughout the year to make sure I get all A's. So this was really neat how these turned out. And then he took it, made a video, and created a web page. And this is how it turned out. So his was titled Good Year, Good Grades. And this video was him describing his portfolio. And so he did a really good job. And so with that being said, and several others who completed the project, what this did for our class, and I didn't tell you, was it put us in, what would you call it? Kind of like a, not so much a contest, but we were, since we entered into it, it put us in the running of winning some prizes for our classroom. Okay, so I have the prize. We won the prize. Y'all ready to see the prize? So we're gonna do our own unboxing. Y'all ready to see it?
Yes.
And it's gonna be really great because it's gonna help us to be more creative and do more things in our classroom because y'all completed this project. All right, so here is our Adobe Express prize for completing the New You in 22 project. Okay, so let's do a reveal and see what's inside our backpack. So it comes with this really cool backpack that I get to sport, so y'all see me wearing this, so it can represent our class, and people can ask us, well, hey, where'd you get a cool backpack? I can say, well, in our class, we are Adobe creators, and we complete Adobe projects, and so that will at least get the conversation going too. Okay, pretty cool, right? All right, so let's open up and see what's inside. And I like that it says the joy of creativity, Adobe. That's cute. So first, what we have up first is a thank you letter. Okay, just thank you for all you do to spark creativity in students and fellow educators. This is a nice little thank you note. Okay, and we have stickers. Ooh, maybe we can use this as a reward for somebody one day. Or we can put it somewhere in our classroom. Okay, now first up, what should I reveal first? Ooh, we have a video mic, a Rode microphone is what it's called. So we're gonna use this, and it's an attachment to another item. So let's see what this is gonna be for. So that one's pretty cool, a Rode microphone. We also have a mystery box. Oh, let's see what's inside. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, here we have, it's a battery pack. It's a charger, like a portable battery charger. And look, it says Adobe on it. Yeah, okay, thank you for being a good audience and being good listeners. Okay, ooh, okay, this one's really special. Oh no, even better. It's our very own iPad, a brand new iPad. This is brand new, and this is special to only our class, and Adobe sent this to us. How cool is that? So it looks like we can put the microphone and attach it to the iPad, so we can make some things, be creative. Okay, let's see. does go with the iPad. Okay, let's see what else we got inside. It's a tripod stand for the iPad. So we can video. That's a good idea. I like how you're already sparking some creativity. Oh, you can't make a video without a ring light. Oh, that is really neat. Look at that. You're right. So we can hook the iPad up to the tripod and have this so we can have better lighting so we look really good. One more item in here. Oh, okay, so there's not a picture of it, but this is, it says it is a tablet holder. So it's gonna hold the tablet and attach to the tripod. Okay, so I really like that. Some of you are already coming up with some creative ways to use this, and y'all instantly were like, well, let's make a video of using all of this stuff. So I think we could take our creativity and make some videos. We can even attach videos in Adobe as well. We can use it for so many other things in the classroom. So we'll brainstorm even some ideas of how we can use this for us. So what do y'all think about it? Yes, pretty cool. Let's give ourselves a pat on the back for earning this awesome prize. Woo-hoo. I'm excited. I think this is great. So y'all be thinking of some ways that maybe we can use this for in class. We can use it for anything. It could be math related, social studies, science, whatever we want. We can think outside of the box. It's pretty cool that we get to do this. So I'm looking forward to it. What do y'all think? Ta-da! I'm excited. Thank you.